What's going on, everybody? I'm going to do a real quick review of this SILVEL. This is the MIG 140. It's an inverter welding machine. And so this is, I think you call it a 4-in-1. It does MIG, it does stick, it does lift TIG, and then it also does gasless flux core welding as well. So I'm going to show you just kind of what came in the box. I'm not going to bore you with emptying the box. So it came with a welding mask with the lens. It also came with, of course, directions. It came with like 2 or 3 pound spool of flux core wire. It came with, it's a little slag hammer and then a little wire brush for your initial welds. It has the machine, which is a 120 amp machine. It is not a combination 110 220 or 120 240, whatever you call it. Inside, it does have, open it. So it's got, for the spool, it's got tensioner, and then anyway, all the stuff to load it and change the diameter depending on your wire size, which I haven't done that yet, so I'm not going to show that to you just yet. I'll show that to you the first time I load it up. But the case is metal. Of course, these front pieces are plastic, but I'm not sure if that's aluminum. It's what it feels like. Pretty substantial, pretty nice. Has a nice little carry handle. It even came with a strap. And then the important things is it came with a stinger for doing the stick welding, and then of course your ground clamp, and then it came with the MIG torch, which you also use for the flux core. Anyway, it's not, I wouldn't say it's like commercial grade, but it's upper home use grade, which is really all I need. I'm just trying to learn more about how to weld. So I've done some stick welding in the past. But I want to learn the MIG and the flux core. So right now I don't have any bottles, so I will be utilizing the flux core on this one. So you can see all the different settings that it has. Anyway, that's the stick, the MIG, the flux core, and then the lift TIG. And then of course you have your power knob and then your feed speed for the wire. So I'm pretty excited to give this thing a try, and hopefully I will be doing that in the next day or two. And I will post a video of that when it happens.